Technological advances are made year after year, but many still consider automation to be a threat to manufacturing and its workforce. Here at Stronghold, we know how important it is to invest in the future. By implementing new technology, we're able to improve our processes and make things a little easier for our team.
The more automation we've brought into our processes, we've actually been able to expand. We get our employees to do other value-added work, and automation is able to spit out enough parts to keep many more employees involved and needed.
So with our robot, we're actually able to put parts in there and it'll actually weld it for us. It is welded in the same spot every single time. There's no human error. It's a cleaner weld. It's a way faster weld. And we are able to get product through the entire shop into the end user a lot faster.
About 3 years ago, we purchased an L3 laser and a P2 panel bender. With the L3 laser, it will load up to 15 different materials, and the laser will just be able to retrieve each skid of material as needed, and the operator just unloads what comes out. With the P2, basically the operator just feeds in the blank part, and the machine does all the work and spits out a bent part through programming that.
All these things keep driving us to one-piece flow. It's a journey. We're not there yet. You know, it's just a matter of getting better at what we do, realizing what the opportunities are, looking at the waste that we do daily, and eliminating it. Once you do that, you look at your next bottleneck, and then you knock that down. Day in and day out, that's what we do. It's our job to create solutions.
Finding the right mix of automation and labor is critical. When you find it, you're able to create exceptional value for your customers. At Stronghold, that's what we aim to do.